What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So in today's video we are going to check out this traveling bag right here from WATERFLY. Now WATERFLY did send out to me to do my unboxing and review of, so I'm just going to show you guys how this bag actually looks, how it fits, and just overall if I recommend this for, you know, whether you be a content creator, whether you be a travel enthusiastic, whether you be a person who would like to go out and just need a backpack to carry your stuff in. So let's check out this to see if it's the right fit for you. So it comes in this package right here, neatly packaged, and it's original, interesting, multifunction, and high quality, which says that it is on this package right here. Let me just open up this. So out the package guys, it looks something like this, and as you can see right here, this looks like just a normal carrying pouch, but the bag actually inside is right here. And let me just show you guys the magic. So when you pull this part like so, we can actually open out the bag right here itself. As you can see right there, it shows the bag already. And this part that I showed you guys earlier on is just a part of the bag, which is the back part right here. So we can just fold this part around like this. As you guys can see right there, this part actually is the back part right here. And now we have the entire bag looking like this, which is very neat. So I love how it's lightweight though, so we have some mesh looking strap, but I wish that this strap probably be a little bit bigger, probably just my preference. Overall it feels really neat. So on this side right here we have a bottle holder, and this side right here we have a bottle holder as well, as long as a clip right here, which you can clip your stuff in place. A clip right here as well. We have a zip part for the main section inside right here. Also to the back section we have a zip right here, so you can put some little stuff in, like this part. And also we can pull this part right here, and we can have a next zip right here as well, where we can put some more stuff. And a compartment, and we have a compartment right here as well, we can put some stuff in. Now inside the bag right here actually have some more component. So this part isn't really a part. So on this section right here we can see we have a compartment as well, so that with separation we can put some more stuff inside right here. And that's how the bag actually looks. So I have managed to put a few of my stuff inside, and this is how it actually looks. Pretty sturdy right here. As you guys can see, this is how it actually looks with my stuff inside. So I'm just gonna try it on so you guys see. So it fits perfectly on my back right here, especially if I'm going out for travel. And it doesn't have any crossbody strap, which is okay. And as I said earlier on, the strap kind of feel a bit fine, so I think it won't be more comfortable if the strap would have been more broader. So otherwise from that, it's feel really great on my back right here. So guys, this bag right here is a travel bag. So if you're a travel, where you're going on hiking, you can put some of your stuff in, like your clothes, your water bottle, and those other important accessories which you guys may need to travel with, especially if you're going out for hiking and stuff like that. This is not, you guys may have known that I have always done camera gear review and stuff on this channel. So if you're wondering if this bag is a camera bag, it's not, because it doesn't come with the dividers. But if you're just going on a solo trip and just want to put your stuff in, this is how it actually looks right there. And it's a very decent travel bag, so you guys can actually check it out. And if you guys interested, I'm gonna put links for this down in the description that you guys can check out with the latest price and stuff like that. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.